process of becoming a content creator can be very difficult. By being organized, you're able to stay on top of your different tasks and ultimately achieve your goal of succeeding within the content creation field. Hi, my name's Courtney. I'm a high school software engineer that has dang near perfected my method of productivity, and today I'm here to share with you how can you be more productive when it comes to your content creation management. If you know me or if you watch any of my other videos, you know I absolutely love Notion. Now, this is a platform that consists of a plethora of different tools and features to help you stay on top of your different tasks. I don't just use Notion for content creation, but I also use it for my schoolwork, for my extracurriculars, my internships, and just to stay on top of all my different things. Today we're going to be talking about how do I use Notion to stay on top of my videos, my editing, my posting, and everything that's necessary for my account to succeed. Now, when you first go into my personal channels page on my Notion account, you see the calendar. This calendar has every single video that I'm going to post for the quarter. I personally run my channel on a quarter-to-quarter basis, so I plan my videos, I plan when I'm going to post them. So yes, that means for the next 3 months, I have every single video planned out and scheduled to post. Now, this does not mean that I am not able to add in videos or take out videos. It's still a very moving and fluctuating system that I have here. It's just overall, how can I stay on top of my different tasks? So if I don't have a video idea up here, what do I already have kind of prepared for that? The next thing that I have in my Notion for my YouTube channel is my board cards. Now, this feature can be used for various different things that you want to do, but I personally use it for my video organization. In the very beginning, I have not started, which are just video ideas that I have put on the calendar, but have not even been scripted or recorded or posted, edited, any of it. The next thing I have is scripting. This is where I do my research on what I'm going to speak about, and then I type up a little bullet point list on what I'm going to speak about in my video. Up next, I have filming. For example, while filming right now, this video, Notion setup for content creators, is in the filming section. Up next, I have editing, where I have the video recorded and uploaded to my editing software, and now it's pretty much just in the process of being edited to the best ability that I can. After editing, it moved into the YouTube studio section, where pretty much it's waiting to be posted, but it's already uploaded into YouTube for it to be pushed out to the masses. Within the YouTube studio section, this is where I'm pretty much working on the thumbnail, I'm working on the description, and adding it to the different playlists that it should be in, and things of that sort. Then finally, the last section within this is the done section. This is where all my past videos are, where they're done, they're posted, and I'm hands off. I no longer need to work with them. Now, I absolutely love Notion because I can add and take away different sections and edit them with different colors, different names, and things of that sort. So it can be really personalized into what you need to get done for your different channel. Now, the last and final thing that I have for my personal YouTube Notion setup is pretty much video ideas. Pretty much this is where I have an ongoing list of different ideas for different genres for the different niches that I cover throughout this channel. These videos have not been scheduled, which is why they're not on the actual board cards, but it's still a section within my page for YouTube because there are still video ideas that I just haven't scheduled yet, but are still cooking up in the noggin. So whenever I think of a YouTube video idea, I run to my Notion and I put it here. That's my minimalistic setup for how I organize my brand on Notion. Now, the later and later my brand grows, we'll hopefully start getting brand deals and things of that sort, which is where I'll start a new page for contacting businesses and pretty much managing from that in that instance. But for the time being, this is how I have it, and I think it's a great setup for the average person. Notion is a free platform. I personally am looking at it off my iPad right now. It connects to my iPad, my phone, my laptop, and it's just really helpful for staying on top of my things and being organized. I highly recommend everybody use it. So you don't have to be a content creator. You can use it for your personal life, like your school and your work and different things of that sort, just because it's so personalizable. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time on Quartz Corner.